Welcome to online classes. Thank you, Arvind Apra. Last class we discussed about the type of triangles according to their side and angles. Today we discuss quadrilaters and classification of quadrilaters. What is quadrilaters? Quadrilaters is a polygons that have more than what? Three sides. And polygon how many sided? Three sided. That is triangle is three sided. Quadrilateral is four sided. Today we discuss about the different kind of quadrilaters. Already you know the different kind of quadrilaters. That is first we discuss about the square. Okay. Square, then rectangle, then parallelogram, this square. You know already square. Square means what? It's all sides. And second one, each angle 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree.
Sir,
Each angle is 90 degree. And each has how many sides? Four sides. Four angle and four vertices. Four vertices. And what is the term and two diagonals of this? Okay. Yeah. Then we give the name A, B, C, D. Let's. That each side are angle 90 degree. All the angles. Quadrilateral properties of angle is what? 360 degree. Then what are the four sides here? AB, BC, CD and AD. Then sides are what? AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay. Now four angle. What are the four angle here? A, B, C. Then number of what? A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, A. And the last one is BA, B. BA, B. Now, what are the four vertices? Four vertices are A, B, the adjacent sides. Common point of two adjacent sides are known as what? Vertices. So, we have one adjacent side, another adjacent side. One common point is there, then A, B, C. Vertices are A, B, C, and D. Okay, and its diagonal. What are the diagonals? How many diagonals is there? Two diagonals is there. AC and BD. AC and BD is what? Diagonals. Okay. And how many diagonals is there? Two diagonals. Two diagonals. AC and BD. And also this diagonal length is also equal. Now we discuss about the rectangles. Already you know about the rectangle. Rectangle means what? Its opposite sides are equal and parallel, and each angle is 90 degree. See, clear about the square. Now we discuss about the rectangle. Which has how many sides are there? Opposite here. How many sides are four sides? Also it is each angle measure 90 degree. Here also both side, both vertices and four angles and two diagonals. See, I'm going to give the name. Okay. A, B, C, D. What are the sides? A, B, C, D, and A. What are the two diagonals? BD are the two diagonals. Here, and also what rectangle also opposite pair. That means this pair and this pair. That means if this 6, then 6 centimeters is there. Here also 6 centimeters. Here 4 centimeters. Then opposite is what? 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. AB, sorry, AD and BC are equal, and AB and CD are equal in third rectangles. Same property is also in a parallelogram. Parallelogram but say what? Opposites pair are parallel equal, but their angle is cut, not 90 degree. Their opposite angle are equal and opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. Now we discuss about the what? Parallelogram. Okay. Now we discuss about the parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Parallelogram is that each opposite sides are equal and opposite angle are equal. But here the angles are not 90 degree. Now the figure of parallelogram. Here also A, B, C, D. Okay. What is parallelogram? Parallelogram means first opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here opposite sides are equal and opposite sides and opposite angle. Opposite angle are equal here. Opposite angle is equal and their diagonal are not equal. Okay. Diagonal are different. But in a rectangle and a square, the diagonal are not equal. Here also four angle, but opposite angle is equal. Opposite angle are equal and not 90 degree. Not 90 degree. That means what? The angle are not 90 degree, but their opposite angles are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. If this one is 60, then this one also 60. Okay. If this one is 120, then this one also 120. That means opposite angle are equal and opposite sides are parallel. And their diagonals are also not equal. Their diagonals measure difference. Okay. Here also what? Four angle is there, and four side, four vertices, and two diagonals. Then about the parallelogram. Here we will discuss about the parallelogram. Now we discuss about the rhombus. Rhombus is what? Rhombus is also every square is a rhombus, but rhombus is not a square. Why? Because in a square, their each angle is 90 degree. In a rhombus, each angle is not 90 degree. Their opposite angles are equal, but their each sides are equal. Rhombus in each sides are what? Equal. So I now discuss about the what? Rhombus. What is rhombus? Also example of rhombus is what? Kite. Kite is example of rhombus. Here A, B, C, D. See here. There all here what? All sides are equal. All sides are equal, but each angle is not 90 degree. That means what? In a square, all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. But in a rhombus, but all sides are equal, but each angle is not 90 degree. Their opposite angles are equal. Here, opposite angles are equal. Okay. 4 centimeters, 4, 4, 2. Only sides are equal, but 4 are different. And diagonal are also not equal. Okay. Then here on sides, 4 sides, 4 angle, 4 vertices, and 2 diagonals. Okay. On properties are different, but the figure is equal. Here we say that each square is a what? Rhombus, but each rhombus is not a square. Clear about the rhombus? Now we discuss about the what? Now we discuss about the another quadrilateral, that is trapezium. Already you know trapezium. Trapezium means what? A quadrilateral having one pair of sides are parallel. Okay, one pair of sides are parallel. A quadrilateral having a pair of sides. Pair of sides. Pair of sides are parallel. Each called what? Trapezium. Now see how the example of trapezium is clear. One pair of sides are parallel. You can construct this side parallel with this side. Parallel means what? They can never intersect or bisect in any place. The distance between them they go infinite. They can never meet to each other. Clear about the parallel trapezium? Okay. A, B, C, D. That means AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD. Here also how many sides are there? So there also both sides. Four angle. Four vertices. Okay. Here diagonal is there. Okay. Sides AB, AC, CD and BD. Diagonal are what? AD and BC. And parallel sides what? AB parallel CD. Only one pair of parallel sides there. That is what? Trapezium. Clear about the trapezium? Now we discuss about the what? Polygons. What are polygons? The polygons made by the line segments. Okay. And we discuss about the different type of polygons like pentagon, hexagon, all these things. Okay. Already we know about the polygons. Now we discuss about the classification of polygons. A polygon having three sides is called what? Triangle. A polygon having four sides each called quadrilateral. Same a polygon having five sides each called what? Pentagon. Then septagon, then hexagon. Many sides is there. Now we discuss about the classification of some polygons. Classification of polygons. First we discuss pentagon. Pentagon is what? A polygon having five sides. Okay. Pentagon means what? A polygon having five sides. A polygon having five sides, then how its figures be? How many sides is there? There 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5. 5 sides is there. Then 5 sides polygon is called what? Pentagon. Now we discuss about the hexagon. Hexagon means what? Hexagon means the polygon having 6 sides is there. Hexagon means 6 sides is there. Okay. A polygon having 6 sides. Polygon having 6 sides each called what? Hexagon. And how is form 6 sides hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. See how many sides is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then a polygon having 6 sides is there. That is called what? Hexagon. Then 6 sides. Then we next 6 side after which is called 7. Then 7 side is called what? Septagon. Now we discuss about the word septagon. Okay. The polygon having 7 sides. Now we do first the polygon having 7 sides is known as septagon. Okay. Then how is figure septagon is? like this figure. Okay, then a polygon having 7 sides. How many sides is there? 7 sides is there. That's why the polygon is called septagon. Then after septagon we know about the octagon. Octagon means what? A polygon having 8 sides. Then out 8 sides you can draw the figure of 8 sides, that is octagon. When you then a polygon having 9 sides, that is called nonagon. A polygon having 10 sides is called decagon. Clear? After the septagon, then now we discuss about the octagon. Octagon means what? 8 sides. And nonagon means what? 9 sides. And decagon means 10 sides. You properly understood. There is no need to draw. Okay. Now you can also try yourself and draw the nonagon, octagon, and decagon. Now we discuss about the 3D shape. What are the 3D shape? We look temples in many where you are moving places. Then like a temple, like you play also dice. You eat ice cream. You also see what? Football. Okay. Then all these are known as what? 3D shape. Now we discuss 3D shape according to them. First one is what? Cuboid. Already you know what is cuboid. You see a box like a chalk box, like a duster. See here, this one is a what? One type of what? This one is a cuboid. And in cuboid here, how many sides is there? How many vertices is there? And how many faces is there? Then cuboids. Okay, cuboid is a what? 3-dimensional shape. See here, how many faces is there? 1, 2, then 3, then 4. Then this side 5, then this side then 6. Okay. Then how many faces is there? 6 faces. Then how many vertices is there? 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3. Then one side 4 vertices, another side 4 vertices, 8 vertices is there. Then how many edges is there? Edges means what? Here 4 edges, here 4 edges, then all side 4 edges. Then 12 edges is there. Then now draw it on board and see it. Okay. So now we discuss about the 3D set, that means 3-dimensional. Already I give you an example of a what? Duster. Then now see how you draw your what? First we discuss about the cuboid. Okay. That means cuboid. Cuboid. Then see here. What are the places? It is called what? Cuboid. Cuboid is a 3D shape. Then what are the faces and vertex and edges in here? What are the faces? These. So this. Okay. Vertex. Then edges. Edges is there. Then how many vertices is there? 8 vertices. How many faces is there? 6 faces. How many edges is there? 12. Now we will discuss about the cube. What is cube? After cuboid, then what will come? Cube. Cube, you know, the box, the dice is an example of cube. Okay. Then cube. Okay. Here is the cube. Then cube. Cube and cuboid have same edges, same vertex and same faces. How many faces there? Here what? 6 face, then vertex. Okay. Then how many is there? 12 is face what? 6 face, vertex what? 8 vertex is there. And these are the what's? 3-dimensional shape. Now we discuss about the cylinder. We look the cylinders. The cylinders in your home, each and every one use a cylindrical. Then also ruler. Okay. Then battery. Battery is also what? Examples of what? Cylinder. So now we discuss about the cylinder. Okay. Discuss about the another 3D shape. Another 3D what is cylinder. Each and every one in your home cylinder is used for what? Making a prepare foods. Also examples of cylinder is of battery, that is used in your remotes. Okay, in your watch. Also it is a chalk. Also example of what? Example of cylinder. See how many faces is there here? Only 3 faces. 2 curved faces, 1 face, another face this side, another side. It has no vertex. It has no vertex and it has 2 heights is there. Okay. Then now see the both. What are the cylinders? Okay. These are what? 3 curves. radius, and it has no vertex. It has no vertex is there, and face is there. And this one also one face, and this one also face. Okay, and height in this side also height is there. That's it, you know. Okay, also in axis is there. We see the battery. In a battery, in the center one black cell is there. Black, that is carbon. That is called axis. Yeah, it is called axis. So it is the parts of the cylinders. But how many faces is there? Three curve faces is there. Height is there, and radius is there. It cylinder has what? No vertex. Now we discuss about the cone. What is the example of cone? You know the see the birthday cake when you celebrate a birthday. Then use the birthday cake. Also you eats what? Ice creams. Then ice cream also examples of what? Cone. And this one is what? Cylinder. Now I discuss about the cone. What is cone? Cone is also what? One type of 3D shape. Okay. Cone. Okay. Sphere. Ice cream is like this. Okay. So when you birthday. Where the birthday cake like this or the 3D shape, then cone. Then cone is how many vertex? One vertex is there. One vertex is there. Vertex. Okay. And how many faces is there? How many faces is there? Axis is there. Okay. One base. Then it is base or face. Okay, then here also axis is there. Okay, this is axis. Axis of what? Here also radius. Okay, radius, axis, vertex, and curve piece. Okay, here. Then here height is what is the height of the cone is there. Height. Where is the height of the cone? Then heights. That means it is known as axis taken as a height of a what? Cone. Then clear about the how many vertex is there? One vertex. How many faces is there? One face is there, and heights. Clear about the cone. Now we discuss about the what? Triangular prism. Okay.
वो एक तरफ ले गो
Cylinders. Clear. Okay. Now we discuss about the another 3D shape. You play in your home balls. This that is called what? Sphere. Okay. Sphere is what? No face. No vertex, no edges. Only there is one curve piece is there. Sphere. No discuss about the what? Sphere. Sphere. You see balls in your home. That is see how it moves. This is called sphere. Okay. It has one face, no vertex, no edges. No edges. That means first here is no vertex and no edges. Only it is a curve face. Now we discuss about the word triangular prism. Triangular prism. Okay. Triangular prism is see the temples behind the road when you being one place to another place. Small temple is there. That is the example of triangular prism. How the figure of triangular prism? See the okay, triangular prisms. This is the example of triangular prism. And triangular prism is what? Literal case also is there, base is there, height is there, and vertex is also there. And what are the vertex is there? Vertex is there. How many vertex? 9 vertex. How many vertex is there? Here 9 vertex. And how many edges is there? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 edges is there also. Also it's a base. What is the base? Here. It's called base. Then this passage is called what? Literal piece. And what's A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we can easily give the names and find their edges and vertex and the faces. This face shall letter base, this shall base, and this is the height of the triangular prism. Clear about this? Now we discuss about the pyramids. Okay. Now we discuss about the pyramids. Okay. What is pyramids? Pyramids are different sectors. Triangular pyramid, square pyramids. So let examples of a pyramid. Okay. Here is the square pyramid is there. Here also was heights. What are the heights? Base. Vertex. Okay. Here also what lateral face is there. Lateral. What is the lateral face is there? Okay. Then it is called what? Square pyramids, because here base is what? Square. It is how many faces there? Square is four faces there. Four sides square pyramid. That's why how many faces there? Four lateral faces there. How many vertices there? 5 vertices. 4 vertices and this one is 5 vertices. So then it is known as what? Height of the pyramids. Okay. You know about the pyramids. So today we discuss about the classification of quadrilaters and 3D shapes. I hope all of you understood it properly and try to make your own. Okay. Bye.